go down there sometimes to visit Maya and be like, oh, park the truck and just drive this.
Yeah. All right, I'll follow you. I got the GoPro rocking and rolling.
Head up a little.
Yep. Whoa, Ryan! Almost ate shit! I got that on film! Oh, I got that on film. Are you alright?
Holy shit.
Dude, all I saw is your leg. And your arms, like your leg flinging out from behind you.
I fucking can't believe I didn't fucking bail.
Good save.
Holy shit.
Good save. Yeah, be careful. There's some rocks that... I got it on film, though.
Holy fuck.
Jesus, Brian. Yeah. We have to go up over to the left.
I think so.
Nice and easy. No idea where we're at.
Here, let me look real quick.
Oh my god, dude, that was wicked. You fucking